In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Site not publishing. If you've clicked publish in Google Sites but your changes aren't showing up, or your custom domain just loads a blank page or error, don't worry. We'll walk through a few quick checks that resolve most publishing issues and get your site live. First, confirm your internet connection is solid. Try loading a couple of other websites in a new tab to make sure your connection isn't dropping. If pages feel slow or time out, switch to a different network, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or pause any VPNs or firewalls that might block Google's services. A stable connection ensures your publish request actually reaches Google's servers. Next, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. In the top right of Google Sites, check the profile picture and email. It's easy to be in a different account than the one that owns the site, especially if you use multiple profiles. If you're unsure, open an incognito window, go to Google Sites, sign in with the account that owns the site, and open the site from the site's home screen. Publishing from an account without edit rights won't apply changes to the live version. Now, look for unsaved changes and publish again. In Google Sites, you'll see the Publish button in the top right. Click Publish and wait for the confirmation. If you see both a preview and a published site address, use the option to view the published site, not just the preview. Refresh the published page after a few seconds. Sometimes it takes a moment for updates to appear. Also, preview is only a draft view. Make sure the changes you're expecting were actually pushed by pressing Publish. If you're using a custom domain, verify the domain settings. In your site settings, check the custom domain section and confirm the domain is connected to this specific site. Then test your default sites.google.com link. If that link shows your updates, but your custom domain doesn't, the domain mapping is the likely culprit. DNS changes can take time to propagate, sometimes up to 24-48 hours, so recent updates may not be visible immediately. Confirm that the domain is pointing to Google Sites as intended, and that there are no typos or conflicting records. To rule out local caching, try loading the custom domain in an incognito window or on a different device. To recap, check your internet connection, confirm you're in the correct Google account, publish again to push any unsaved changes, and verify your custom domain settings if you're using one. Follow these in order and you'll usually find the blocker quickly and get your site live. Thanks for watching and good luck publishing your site.